Welcome back, dear students. Hope all are safe at home. Shall I take today's session? Students, in the previous class, you have studied how teeth and eyes should be kept clean, healthy, and hygienic. Today, we will learn about how nose, ear, and skin can be kept healthy and hygienic. You know, nose helps us to breathe and smell things. You should clean your nose regularly. You should not put the fingers or pencils inside the nose. You should use a handkerchief while you sneeze. That you know, because when you are studied in the nursery class, your mother used to pin a handkerchief on the upper side of your shirt or frock. Don't you remember? So, you know the use of handkerchief and how it is used. While sleeping, do you cover your body with blanket? Do you cover the blanket up to the neck portion? Or do you cover the head also? You should not cover the face with blanket while sleeping, because the nose is placed in the face. We breathe through nostrils in the nose. You already know we have 2 nostrils. Okay. Next, about ear. You know the importance of ear. Ears help us to hear. You should not put things like sticks, pencils, nails, etc. on your ears. If you hear loud sounds like blasting of crackers, horn, etc., you should close your ears. Loud sounds affect your eardrum and it leads to deafness. You know, deafness means being unable to hear. Next, about skin. You know, skin is the largest sense organ of our body. We all like small babies and wish to take and hug them. Now I show the picture of 2 babies. Which baby do you like to take? Definitely you take the baby shown in the A column. That baby looks so neat and clean. The other baby looks dirty and unclean. So, you should keep your body clean. For keeping the body, what should you do? You should bath regularly. I will tell another example. In your home, you may have a teddy bear with you, presented by your relatives on your first or second birthday. Now, you may not be using that toy. What's the condition of that toy now? It may be covered by dust and dirt. If you take that toy now, you will definitely sneeze because of the dust settled on the teddy bear. Like that, if you don't take a bath daily, dirt and dust will be settled on your body. The body also emits bad smell. It leads to many skin diseases. So, you have to take a head bath regularly. You should use soap to clean the dirt and dust on your body. In short, our body is the gift of God. So keep it clean always. Next, we have to learn some keywords. Elders. E-L-D-E-R-S. Elders. Supper. S-U-P-P-E-R. Supper. Enough. E-N-O-U-G-H. Enough. Sneeze. S-N-E-E-Z-E. Sneeze. Chocolates. C-H-O-C-O-L-A-T-E-S. Chocolates. Kerchief. K-E-R-C-H-I-E-F. Kerchief. Regular. R-E-G-U-L-A-R. Regular. Disease. D-I-S-E-A-S-E. Disease. Comb. C-O-M-B. Comb. Remove. R-E-M-O-V-E. Remove. Dust. D-U-S-T. Dust. Students, all of you take your notebook, write down the keywords. Thank you.